Hey guys, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video I'm going to share to you how you would be able to download and install a free antivirus for your PC and laptop. Okay, so let's get started. Please open your browser that you have and please visit google.com, and on the search tab please type free AVG antivirus, and from the search results just scroll down a little bit until you find AVG 2025 free antivirus VPN, and then please click on it and you will be redirected with this site. So get free antivirus that's trusted by experts and get powerful effective protection against viruses and other malware with free antivirus. It's just one simple download. So to download this, please click on this free download button here and it will be downloaded in your device. Once downloaded, please click on the software file and then open it, and it will be installed in your device. And after installing, the icon will appear in your desktop and just please click on it to open. Okay, and in here all we need to do is just click on this run smart scan, and it will scan for your device for any issues in the settings. And if it asks for, or if it finds any issues, then it will ask for a resolve or resolution. So just click on this resolve all button here and it will resolve your or the issues of your device. Then click on next and it will search for any malware, and if it doesn't find any, so it's good, your device is good to go, and then just click on next. And for the advanced issues, it found 6 advanced issues, so I'll just click on this resolve all button. Okay, so it asked me to fix my advanced issues with AVG internet security, so I'll just skip this one. Let me just skip this for now. Finish scan, close smart scan, ignore. Okay, so that's how you do it, and I hope this process also worked for you. So if it did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.